Welcome back to my YouTube channel Dreamboatsneha. In today's video, I am going to show you 2 easy and quick ways of applying your eyeshadow. So the key to applying a great eyeshadow is priming your eyes. So for that, I'll be using my primer. This is from NYX, and in case you don't have a primer or a base for your eyes, you can use your foundation and then you can set it with a loose powder before going forward with your eyeshadow. So this is my first step, and it is very important because if you have primed your eyelid before, then your eyeshadow will just pop out. So it's an important key to a great eyeshadow, and then eyeshadow also lasts for a very long time. So on that note, let's begin. I'll apply my primer and then I'll set it with my fingers only. So I'll blend it properly using my ring finger. Or you can blend it with a brush. It's totally your call. So you can see I have primed this side of my eyes and I have blended my primer very well. And you can see the difference, this side of my eyes and this side. So now when I apply eyeshadow on this side, then the pigmentation of my eyeshadow will be a lot clearer. So this is the first and very important key. Now it's time to move with second step. So the second step would be to apply eyeshadow on my lower lash line here. So for that, I'll be using the eyeshadow palette from Huda Beauty, this one. And I really love this eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to take my flat brush. You can use your pencil brush for this, but I'm going to show this tutorial by using minimum brushes. So this is a flat brush and this is from Faces brand, and in my description box below I'll leave all the brush numbers that I'll use during my entire video, and also details about the palette that I'm using. So I can take any of these eyeshadow shades, but I'll be using this one because this has little brownish shade in it, and this is shade Sandalwood from Huda Beauty palette. So what I'll do is I'll take this on my brush and then I'll dust off any extra product. Then I'm gonna apply it just like this. And then as I'm going towards the inner corner of eyes, my line is getting thinner. So here it's broad and then it's going thinner and thinner, if you can see it. So this is my second step, and I've repeated the same second step on my second eyes. So now it's time for the third step. So before moving to third step, let me tell you the main tactic behind applying your eyeshadow. So the best way to apply your eyeshadow is in an almond shape. So if you close your eyes, it will make an almond shape like this, if you getting what I mean to say. So now start with applying eyeshadow. So for this I'm showing you the easiest technique of applying an eyeshadow. I'll be using just one shade on my entire eyelid, and this is the simplest way of applying eyeshadow. So for that I'll be using this shade. This is shade Angelic. So this is a shimmery shade, and you can put this shade like shimmery shade and just a single shade for your party look, like in the night. Also you can match it up with your ethnic dress, the shimmery look, and you can wear it in the morning also. So if you want to just apply one single eyeshadow, then this is the way. So for that I'll be taking my flat brush and if you're using the same flat brush, then please keep it in mind that it should be clean so that you don't mess with the eyeshadow colors. So yeah, now I'll be taking this shade on my brush and I'll apply it all over my eyelid. So I can use either my brush or I can also apply it using my fingers just like this. So I'm going with this brush. First I'm applying it in the middle of my eyelids, and then just to make almond shape on the outer edge, I'm going like this, and then I'll apply on the inner corner of my eyes, but there should be a thin layer. Like I want it to be like this, so it will be maximum on the middle and very thin layer of it at the inner corner of your eyes. Similarly, at the outer corner of eyes, it should be a thin line. Apply this till here, like before the crease of your eyes. Also, I prefer applying eyeshadow before doing my face makeup, because if there is any fallout, you can just remove it before applying your foundation. So this is the first and the basic eyeshadow look, in which we just finish it till the crease. Like here it's my crease line and I'll finish applying my eyeshadow just before my crease line. And I'm done, but there are some fallouts that I need to clean. This is gonna be my fourth step, and this is the second way of applying your eyeshadow using two shades. So for that, I've already primed this side of my eyes, and let's begin. So I'm taking this fluffy brush, and this is from Color brand, and I'll be taking the same eyeshadow palette. I'll be using this shades Sandalwood that I've already applied here, and I'm gonna apply it on the outer corner of my eyes, just right here. So taking this and the shade and dusting off any extra product, and then just like this. If you can see this little eyeshadow color that I've already got, so I can dark it as per my choice, or I can leave this light only, but if I want to darken it, I'll apply 2-3 coats of it. And this is it. So I'm gonna apply it till here, like not even the center of my eyes, just till here. And now it's time to take the pigmented eyeshadow color, and for that I'm gonna use same flat brush, or you can use your fingers for doing that. And I'm gonna use the same color, which is angelic, on this side. Okay, but just to show you, I'm using my ring finger. You can see the pigmentation is just like that, even if I'm using my finger, and it's better than that than using your brush. brush, and then I just blend it this part where my first eyeshadow and the second pigmented shimmery color are falling together. I'm gonna blend there so that they look like one and not like I've applied two different colors. So they should look seamless. So ta-da! This is my second eyeshadow look. Just to let you know guys that I've not highlighted my brow bone area, but most of the time whenever I'm going with my eyeshadow on, I highlight my brow bone area. But as this tutorial was only on applying eyeshadow, I wanted to keep it real simple and quick. So that's it. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and do not forget to give it a thumbs up if you find it really helpful for you. And on that note, I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. Till then,